Hello students, how are you? Hope that you will be fine. Today's in this lecture of data structure, I will discuss I will discuss about operations on data structure. So let's start. To design a data structure, to design a efficient data structure, there are various operations are available that are performed on the data structure. These operations can be categorized into two categories. One is primitive and another is non-primitive. Look on the board, I am writing operations categorized into two categories, primitive and second is non-primitive. In the primitive, these are the basic operations. These are the basic operations. These are create, destroy, and updation, and fourth is selection. These operations are come in the category of primitive data structures operations. Primitive operations of data structure. Primitive operations. Now in the non-primitive data structure, in this data structure, the first operation is traversing. Second, insertion. Next, deletion. Next, sorting. Next, yes, searching. And next, merging. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 operations are performed in the category of primitive operations. These are called the basic operation in data structure. And this is a 6. There are 6 operations that are performed as a non-primitive data structures. So now I will tell you what is the meaning of creation. Creation means this operation deals with reserving the item, reserving a space, reserving a space to store the data item. So and these operations perform at the time of this operation may be performed at the time of runtime or compile time, and this is done by declaration of an data structure. Means the declaration syntax is called the create operations of particular data structure. And next is a destroy. Destroy is a means destroying the memory that is allocated for data items in a particular data structure. Okay, now next is a updation. Updation means updation means this operation deals with the modification in a data structure. And the selection means accessing a particular item in a data structure is called selection operation. These are primitive operations. Now comes on the topic non-primitive operations in data structure. First is traversing. What is the meaning of traversing? Traversing means accessing each element to a data structure at exactly once. And the insertion means adding new elements to the data structure. Adding new elements to the data structure is called the traversing operations. And now deletion means removing an item from the data structure, from a particular data structure, is called a deletion operations. Now sorting means arranging the data in increasing or decreasing order. This is called sorting, and searching means finding a particular value in a data structure is called searching operations. Now merging means combining two records that are not similar. This is merging operation. So now we can summarize that there are 6 and 4. There are 10 operations that are performed on the data structure. It means these operations, non-primitive operations, are performed in array. These operations may be performed in stack. These operations may be performed in queues. Means every data structure that are available, all operations may be performed on data structure. So I think that you must have understand this topic very well, and I think that if you have any question, you can ask through the comment box, and I think that now lecture is over. So thank you.